Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add your own custom color in the taskbar of Windows 11 running computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start menu icon and just click on it, and just go to the settings by clicking on the settings icon. Now here on the left side, you will see here one option, written personalization. Just click on it. Now on the right side, you will see here an option, written colors. Just click on it and just scroll down below. So you will see here one option which is being grayed out, right? So you can see here, show as in color on start and taskbar. So you won't be able to turn it on by default, right? So why this gray out is being showing out here? So in order to enable this option, what you need to do is, you can see here above, by default it will be selected in the light mode. So in order to enable this option which is being grayed out, so what you need to do is just click on it, and now you can select this dark mode and just scroll down below. Now you can see here this option is being turned on. So this is the first method, but your every application's color will change into dark in color. So if you don't want your other windows, that is especially other applications rather than your taskbar in the dark mode, then you can just select this custom, and now you can see here, choose your default app mode, then just click on it and just click on this light, and now your all applications other than your Windows taskbar as well as the start menu will be only in dark in color. So now you can see here still this option is enabled, but your other applications other than your taskbar as well as your start menu will remain in white in color. So now here you can see accent color. So under the accent color, you can select manually, or you can select automatic also if you wish. So what I will do is, say I will just select this C-form color. Wait for a few seconds. So once the tick mark is being shown on your selected color, then this color is being selected, but still you can see below the taskbar is still in the black in color. So now just scroll down below and just enable this option, so accent color on start and taskbar. Just enable this. Now you can see here the respective color which I have selected from this accent color is being applied, as you can see here, and you can see this window, the settings window, is still in white in color. So without needing to completely color all the window or any other application window, you can simply use these tricks by selecting here. You can keep the default app mode in the light mode, and you can keep the default Windows mode in the dark mode, and you can just enable these options and you can just turn it on. So if you want to revert it back, just click on here and just click on light mode. It will just revert it back to the default color. So using this option, you can easily add your own custom color in the taskbar of Windows 11 running computer very easily. So if you never known about these options available in your Windows 11 computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.